Hey y'all, to all my moms out there who has babies that fights their sleep, I have this Gianna.global baby soother and cry detector. It's programmed to help your baby sleep throughout the night. It plays things like lullabies, heartbeats, womb sound, white noise, and a few other things that you can think of. It's a Bluetooth setting where you just connect it to your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth it to this app that they have. I find this very convenient because I'm the type that goes to YouTube and type in white noises when I can just go on here and click it. It also has a lighting and sound setting where you can change how bright or low the sound and the light is. I found that very nice as well. What I also realized is this is kind of a nightlight in a sense also.